Hello students, in this module we are discussing questions from the entrance section based on the type e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx. Now the question says integral of e raised to ax into brackets a times f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to which of the four options? Now my dear students, before I start solving this, let me tell you this is an important shortcut. We are going to see the derivation of this shortcut. Now let us see how to proceed. The question is here in front of us. Let's open the brackets. Let's multiply e raised to ax inside. So what we will get is a times integral of e raised to ax into f of x dx plus integral of e raised to x into f dash of x dx. A being a constant is outside the integral. Now in the first integral we will apply u into v rule. Because we know integral of e raised to ax, we will take it as v and u will be taken for f of x. So here we are taking f of x as u. So as per the uv rule, we will have f of x integral e raised to ax dx minus of d by dx of f of x integral of e raised to ax dx the whole dx plus the second integral we keep it as it is. Now what I need is the integral of e raised to ax and derivative of f of x. So a into bracket we have f of x integral e raised to ax by e raised to ax. So that is f of x into e raised to ax by a minus of f dash of x into e raised to ax by a dx. Now if you observe my dear students, there is a which will cancel. We may cancel it after this particular step. So let's cancel the a in the first set of terms. So what is left after this is we will have e raised to ax into f of x minus of integral e raised to x into f dash of x dx plus of integral e raised to x f dash of x dx. Now my dear students, the last two terms are integrals which have the same terms but are opposite in sign, so they cancel out, and what is left is e raised to ax into f of x plus c, and that will be our option A as the correct answer. Now my dear students, as I said, this is a shortcut. We will see some more shortcuts here. So integral e raised to ax into brackets a times f of x plus f dash of x dx is, it is equal to e raised to ax into f of x plus c. Now the alternate form of the same is integral of e raised to ax into brackets f of x plus f dash of x by a dx is equal to e raised to ax f of x by a plus c. The same two. Okay. The next one says e raised to minus x into f of x minus of f dash of x dx. The answer will be minus of e raised to minus x f of x plus c. And the last one, integral x into f dash of x plus f of x dx is x f of x plus c. Now these are some shortcuts which you may remember. Let us take one example now. Integral of e raised to 2x into brackets 1 plus sine 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x dx is equal to which of the four options? Now my dear students, we have seen earlier a sum of this type. The only change in this particular sum is coefficient of x is 2, and that is what we need to address. So let us see. Now this particular question we need to convert into the type of f of x plus f dash of x. So let's apply the formula for 1 plus cos 2x in the denominator, which is 2 cos square x. So let me write that as 2 cos square x. Now my dear students, if the denominator is a single term, in the next step what are we supposed to do? We separate. So let us write e raised to 2x into 1 upon 2 cos square x plus, now in the denominator there is an angle which is x. So in the numerator let us write 2 sin x cos x in place of sin 2x upon 2 cos square x dx. Correct? Now can I say here, my dear students, 1 upon 2 cos square x, I will write later, but for the first part can I write tan x, which is nothing but from the integral, and 1 upon 2 cos square x, can I write it as sec square x by 2 dx. Correct? Now my dear students, you can see this integral is very much of the form e raised to ax into brackets f of x plus f dash of x by a. So can I say the answer will be e raised to ax, that is e raised to 2x into f of x, which will be tan x upon 2. So that is option B as my correct answer. That's all we have in this module. Thank you very much.